Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are very fine. Myself Anjali Panchal, your English teacher. Today I am here to teach you English grammar. Some new topic is there, so let's read it and let's learn it. Lesson number 11, Synthesis of Sentences. So what is synthesis of sentences? Introduction part is there, so let's start it. Listen me carefully and learn it well. Introduction part says two simple sentences can be combined to form one simple sentence. दो अलग अलग टाइप के सेंटेंस होते हैं जिसे हम कंबाइन करके वन सिंपल सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. So two or more simple sentences can be combined into one simple sentence in the following ways. So let's see that following ways. My dear students, you can see first one is by using participle. By using participle, example is there, I met my friend after 20 years. I could hardly recognize him. So here two sentences are there. First one is I met my friend after 20 years. And the second sentence is I could hardly recognize him. So this one is your second sentence. So let's use participle. So we will use first participle having. Having means ing. Participle we can say having met my friend after 20 years, I could hardly recognize him. So here what we use? Participle having. Having met my friend after 20 years, I could hardly recognize him. So I want to take another example for this type. The man was terribly annoyed. We had to calm him down. Here again two sentences are there. First one is the man was terribly annoyed. The man was terribly annoyed. And the second sentence is we had to calm him down. So here what we will use? We will use the man being, participle being. Here the participle is being. The man being terribly annoyed, we had to calm him down. We will use comma between two sentences. We will use comma between two sentences. Students, now the second form is by using infinitives. The second type of synthesis is by using infinitives. So how we will make one sentence with infinitives? So let's take an example. They have many books. They have to keep them in the loft. They have many books. This one is your first sentence. They have many books. And the second sentence is they have to keep them in the loft. So what is your combined sentence here? They have many books to keep in the loft. They have many books to keep in the lofts. Students, I hope you are getting what I want to say by using participles, by using infinitives, and the third form is by using adverbs and adverb phrases. By using adverb and adverb phrases. So let's take an example for that also. She bought a lot of land. She bought a lot of land. That is your first sentence. Another sentence is that was wise of her. That was wise of her. So let's start the combining this sentence. She wisely bought a lot of land. Here wisely, we will use the adverb form of wise, wisely. She wisely bought a lot of land. So combined sentence is very simple. We made two sentences in one sentence by using the fourth type of synthesis is fourth is by using absolute phrases. By using absolute phrases. So let's take an example for that also. The storm began. First sentence, the storm began. The second sentence is the children looked for shelter. The children looked for shelter. So now let's make these two sentences into one sentence. The storm having begun. The storm having begun. The children looked for shelter. Having begun. Here we have used absolute phrases. Here we used absolute phrases, that is having begun. We'll use here having, and the third form for this begin, that is begun. The storm having begun, the children looked for shelter. We'll use comma between two sentences. The next fifth is by using nouns or phrases in apposition. By using nouns or phrases in apposition. The next, let's take an example. The Harry Potter series has been written by J.K. Rowling. It is enjoyed by children all over the world. Students, so this sentence is very lengthy. The Harry Potter series has been written by J.K. Rowling. Passive voice is used here in this sentence. The first sentence is completed here, and the second sentence, it is enjoyed by children all over the world. So what will be the answer? The Harry Potter series enjoyed by children all over the world has been written by J.K. Rowling. I hope you all understand the Harry Potter series. After that we will write enjoyed by children all over the world. यहाँ पे हम it is निकाल देंगे. The Harry Potter series enjoyed by children all over the world, written by J.K. Rowling. Okay, समझ में आया सबको? Okay. The next main point, simple sentences may be combined to form compound sentences by using conjunctions like but, yet, either or, neither nor, and nevertheless. Here different types of words are there: but, yet, either or, neither nor, and nevertheless. So these are the words, we can use them in combining the sentences. So let's take examples for that also. He was feeling sleepy. He was feeling sleepy, first sentence, and the another sentence is he watched the match. He was feeling sleepy, yet he watched the match. मतलब he was feeling sleepy, उसको नींद आ रही है, yet, फिर भी, yet he watched the match. After comma we will use yet, the he watched the match. Students, I hope you all understand what I want to explain you. The next word, next example, she may be made the head girl. She may be made the head girl. She may be appointed the sports secretary. She may be made the head girl. She may be appointed the sports secretary. So these two sentences we will make them with the use of either or. She may either be made the head girl or appointed the sports secretary. Either or. Either or का one more example we can take. What will you have? Either you can take tea or coffee. समझ में आ रहा है? आपको दो ऑप्शन देने जा रहे हैं, ऑप्शन में से कोई एक को चूज करना है, देन वी कैन यूज इधर और. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज शी इज अ स्लो वर्कर. ही completes his assignments on time. He is a slow worker. He completes his assignments on time. two sentences are there. Okay. He is a slow worker. Nevertheless, he complete his assignments on time. We can agree. We agree that he is a slow worker. But nevertheless, अभी क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, वो स्लो वर्कर है बट उसने सारा अपना असाइनमेंट्स जो है वो कब कंप्लीट कर लिया है, ऑन टाइम. ओके, तो दिस वन इज द मेन पॉइंट, सेकेंड मेन पॉइंट. एंड द थर्ड मेन पॉइंट इज two simple sentences. Two simple sentences may be combined to convert into a complex sentence by transforming one of them into an adjective clause. We can also convert them into complex sentence by transferring one of the sentence into an adjective clause. So let's take some examples for that also. This is a wooden chest of drawers. This is a wooden chest of drawers. It belongs to my daughter. It belongs to my daughter. These two sentences now we will convert it into a one sentence by transforming one sentence into adjective clause. So answer will be, this is a wooden chest. This is a wooden chest of drawers that belongs to my daughter. This is a wooden chest of drawers that belongs to my daughter. Here we use conjunction that. This is an old house, the woman lives here. This is the old house, the woman lives here. So now these two sentences will be converted into one sentence. This is the old house where the woman lives. Where is used here? This is the old house where the woman lives. And the last, the lady is wearing a white sari. She is my aunt. The lady is wearing a white sari. She is my aunt. Again, two sentences will be converted into one simple sentence. The lady who is wearing a white sari is my aunt. The lady who is wearing a white sari is my aunt. Students, I hope you all understood the synthesis of the sentence topic, and there are some different ways by using participles, by using infinitives, by using adverb and adverb phrases, by using absolute phrases, by using noun or phrases in apposition. And the another type of synthesis that we can use some conjunction words like yet, but, either or, neither nor, and, nevertheless. And another main point is two simple sentences may be combined to convert into a complex sentence by transforming one of them into an adjective clause. I hope you all understood this chapter very well. So thank you and have a nice day.